Jennifer Lopez reunites with Ben Affleck on red carpet in stunning revenge gown. Jennifer Lopez and Ben Affleck reunited on the red carpet for the Kiss of the Spider-Woman premiere in NYC, their first appearance together since their split. Lopez stunned in a sculptural Harris Reed gown with a spider-inspired bodice, off-shoulder neckline, and elegant bronze glam. Jennifer Lopez wears a sculptural gown at Kiss of the Spider-Woman screening. Ben Affleck kept it classic in a navy suit while producing Kiss of the Spider-Woman through his company with Matt Damon. He and Lopez warmly reunited on the red carpet, joined by her twins, Max and Emmy. The film follows a political prisoner and his cellmate who form an unexpected bond. The internet reacts to J.Lo and Ben Affleck reuniting on the red carpet. Before the screening, Lopez thanked Affleck, saying the film wouldn't exist without him and artists' equity. She added, "I read the script. If you know, I was in bed and I was just floored. I was just like, could this be happening right now? I get to sing, I get to dance, I get to act, I get to be an old-time Hollywood movie star." The internet quickly lit up with reactions to their unexpected reunion. Fans shared emotional takes, with one writing, "They still love each other. Sometimes love isn't enough." Another added, "He's definitely the love of her life. The way she looks at him is straight out of a movie." Others praised their maturity, noting, "See y'all, they divorced and still friendly, so stop with the hate."